The rear cross-path detection system on the 500X, also referred to as the RCP, rear cross-path detection system in the user's manual, helps the driver with reversing maneuvers in the event of reduced visibility by generating acoustic and visual alarms in the case of immediate danger. The system checks the areas to the rear of the car on both sides, looking out for objects moving at a speed of between 1 km per hour and 35 km per hour, as one might usually find in car parks. The driver is alerted to the presence of the approaching vehicle by means of an acoustic and visual signal. The system can be activated, deactivated from the display menu or using the Uconnect system. When the system is deactivated, no acoustic or visual signals are emitted. The system stores the operating mode in use when the engine is switched off. Each time the engine is switched on again, the previously stored mode is recalled and used. Greater safety when reversing with limited visibility, such as when backing out of a parking space or a garage.